go palms down. So palms down, and the key is you want to be up on that tee. You see what I'm saying? And so you're driving down. So the next move, palms up, thumbs up. And you're here. Third move, palms down and around, thumbs down. That's all you got to think of. And then number 4, you're raising the roof. You're just right here. But everything you notice, I'm on the tee. On the tee.
So you're starting there.
Yeah. No, I'm starting here,
up,
down, and then here. That's it.
Straight, up,
That's it.
down,
Yeah.
and palm.
And the way you do it is 45 seconds, then it's 15 seconds rest, then 45 seconds. See what I'm saying? So it goes by on the minute.
And I was
That makes it easy.
making sure they're up here, not
Yes.
letting it get down
Yeah,
below the shoulder.
No, that's right. You want to square. You want to be on a tee. It's just like you a tee.
Okay.
So now you want to be driving. So it's like that's what you want to be doing.
Gotcha.
Driving that up hard. So you feel that in your
Yeah.
core.
Yeah, and all the way through here.
See, that's what I'm saying. But you really feel it. If you're driving up, you feel that in that core. Your core, I mean, you're completely shredded right there because you're trying to conjure up that kind of power to get through. That's